The facelifted version of the 997 Turbo was unveiled at the 2009 Frankfurt Motor Show. It received a completely new 6-cylinder 3.8-liter boxer engine, generating a maximum power output of 493 bhp and 480 foot-pounds of torque, 516 foot-pounds of torque with overboost, with revised BorgWarner variable turbine geometry VTG turbochargers. The new engine used the same construction as other 997 Gen II DFI engines. The overall result is an engine that is 22 pounds lighter than the previous engine and has a peak turbo boost of 11.6 psi. The suspension system was also revised and had a new software to enhance handling. The all-wheel drive system from BorgWarner also received new software for more linear delivery of power to the front wheels. The Turbo was available with a manual gearbox or the optional 7-speed PDK dual clutch gearbox, which replaced the Tiptronic, with PDK and also optional Sport Corner package, which includes the availability of an electronically controlled launch control and an overboost function for temporarily increasing the turbo pressure. Porsche claimed the 911 Turbo would accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and attain a top speed of 194 miles per hour. The model could also be ordered with PTV, Porsche Torque Vectoring, which will brake the inner wheel to provide turning torque through a curve. The look of the facelifted model was left mostly untouched from the original 997 Turbo. The taillights were updated to LED to match the 997 Gen II, along with changes to the front lamps. The exhaust pipes were also bigger, and the standard 19-inch wheels now have a new design. Thanks to the revised dynamics, the facelifted 997 can handle 1.3 G on a skid pad according to Porsche. Models equipped with PDK also include an optional 3-spoke steering wheel with gear shift paddles as an alternative to the standard steering wheel with shift buttons.